Hey Roland, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating McKinneyroofing.net. If you type in Roofing McKinney, these guys show up first. I'm going to show you how easy it would be for you to copy and beat them. Now you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you in the first place. I just found out a lot of roofers are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them, they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people just take this information, they do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, Devin, I like you, I just don't have the time to do this, can you do it for me? That's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, I think it goes without saying you have a professional website. Whoever designed it for you, I don't think you did this in-house. If you did, wow, I'm blown away because this is just a beautiful website. It's very clean, super strong, bold fonts, custom imagery, nice testimonials. It's professional. It's really great. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff you can read. The average website has about 1,500 words of content on its homepage, and you currently have 671. If we look at McKinneyroofing.net, they don't have that much either, so that's good news. By getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only are you going to blow them out of the water, but it's and look like an authority to Google, but it's also going to give you more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is a phrase that somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from you. So I've pulled up some for you, and just so you don't need to pay for this software, feel free to pause this video anytime so you can use these keywords and put them inside of your content. So Roofing McKinney, for example, 200 people search that every single month. You're currently on the second page. Roofing McKinney, Texas, 50 people search this every month. You're on the second page. Roofer McKinney, Texas, 80 people search that every month. You're on the second page. And as I say, the best place to hide a body is in the second page of Google. No one goes there. So if you were number 1 for these 3 keywords, that means you would be number 1 in front of 330 people every month just in McKinney who want to purchase roofs. Imagine how that would change your business. So you want to make sure that you put these kind of keywords inside of your content. You see when I search it, it comes up 0 times. Grab this one too. Same thing. This one too. Yeah, so all these keywords, you don't have any of them inside of your content. So make sure you put them inside of your content. You can also save your images as keywords. So instead of logo, this could be called Roofing McKinney. And then this one could be like Roofer McKinney over here, and Roofer Awards McKinney, stuff like that. So that's my first tip as far as content goes. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for you. Keep in mind, though, not all backlinks are created equal. They want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to pay for it. Google Backlink Checker. You can see this data for free. It says you have 247 websites linking to you. So great job. That's an awesome start. McKinneyroofing.net only has 24 websites linking to them. This is what I said about how not all backlinks are created equal. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them, because if these 24 links are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. And if that's not enough, you have other competitors like McKinney Roofing, Performance Roofing. You can go and copy all of these different competitors until you outrank them. So it's pretty simple. They've done all the hard work for you. You just go one by one to each of these websites and put a link on each website back to your homepage. A lot of times it's very simple. Like, for example, expertise, get listed. Yellow pages, create a free account. Super pages, join. And then you put a link in your profile back to your website. And that simply, you have a backlink. It's pretty simple. It just takes some time. But if you beat them in content and you beat them in backlinks, those 2 tips are what get you number 1 organically right here, and all the free business that comes with being there. My last tip is to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number in a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie, BBB, Yelp, GAF, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Infinite Roofing and General Contractors was in, put myself in the same ones, and then add a bunch on top. So if Infinite Roofing and General Contractors was in like 100 directories, I put myself in like 200 or 300. But that's all I've got for you, Roland. I hope you found this informative and helpful. My goal was to keep this as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords in it like Roofing McKinney TX, stuff like that. Just pause this video, put these all in there. Save your images as well. Then take the websites linking to McKinneyroofing.net and any other competitors until you rank number 1. And then finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Infinite Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, the sooner you get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting it done, give me a call, 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals, give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was nice speaking to you on the phone earlier, Roland. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you later.